1, 2, 3. Whee! Say happy birthday, Carter. How old are you today, buddy?
2.
Carter's 2. Hold on tight. You don't need to be counting. Carter, can you say roll tide? Roll tide. Who's that over there? Is that Tank? Hi, Tank. Happy birthday, Carter.
Happy birthday, Carter.
There's Mom and Sissy. Happy birthday. Going bye-byes. You want to go bye-byes?
No.
No? What do you want to do? You want to do a tire swing? Okay, one more. 1. Yeah, Mama's going bye-bye. It's time to go to school. Here we go. Have a good day, pal.